Hi, I'm Roy Charette.
And I'm Steve Aukerblin. Oftentimes, when people think about time management, they think about creating a to-do list and ranking those tasks in order of priority. Now, while that's a good start, it's rarely a productive finish, and there's a reason for that. Number one, how many of the complex tasks on your to-do list can you do by yourself from beginning to end that doesn't involve getting information from someone else? Number two, how often are you interrupted by people while you're trying to get things done on your to-do list? These are just a couple of factors that make that traditional to-do list a good start, but not the best finish.
Other things that we'll cover in this workshop include the difference between being efficient and being effective. We'll also cover how to identify what ranks as a priority through the flow of a very busy day. We will also cover how to use technology as a tool for time management success.
Now, your days are always dynamic. What starts off as a great plan at the beginning of the day often changes as the day flows and ebbs. So one of the things that we're going to take a look at is not just about daily planning at the beginning of your day, but rather planning as you move through the day so you can stay on top of critical issues and important tasks.
The true effective management of time is specific to each individual, and this workshop will allow an opportunity for that person to develop a process that reflects their particular lifestyle and work responsibilities.
The Time Management Workshop, an effective use of your time so you can create more efficiency in your day.